our Lydia. Yes, man.
Rihanna, aka the Caribbean Cinderella, aka Snow White. No, not Snow White, aka Sunshine Brown Skin. Brown skin girl, oh you my little brown skin. Has shown once again why almost every man in the world would like to get inside her Caribbean quarters. And as conscience would say, spend a little time in her. What? Let me spend a little time in your whole yard. Despite the rumors of what might be or what might not be in her pussage. Now, if you do not know what I'm talking about, Rihanna, aka the baddest bitch in the fashion world, and I can say that and do not have to apologize about it, seeing that she won the award for Style Icon. But anyways, I'm not what happened. Rihanna, aka Sunshine Brown Skin, wore a see-through, sparkly Cinderella type dress to the CFDA Fashion Awards. And yes, people, I just said see-through dress. The only thing you could not see through the dress was her nanny. But the titties. Not the yesterdays, not the next weeks, not the tomorrows. The titties, which we are all familiar with, was in attendance as usual. Rihanna brought her words to life and was shining bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Or 230,000 crystals. And as usual, with daring moves comes good criticism and bad criticism. Some people thought it was rather thottish of her to dress in that way, and they were appalled by it, whilst others applauded it. They welcomed the dress, especially the thirsty man there. Some people were saying, what kind of example is she setting for her younger fans? Whilst others are saying, listen, Rihanna a big woman and she can do whatever the she wants to do. But in my eye, in these two eyes, Rihanna wore the type of dress will make Bull run 5 100-meter races consecutively in a 6 seconds flat. Rihanna wore the type of dress will make Bunty not only want to take up a hammer, but just become a full-on carpenter. Here. How high horse a song. Fiham does produce 2 prodigal sons with dance hall, high hard done. Carpentry, here high hard come. Rihanna wore the type of dress will make Stevie Wonder bust a Jimmy Cliff. I can see clowning now. She wore the type of dress will make Chronic say, here comes trouble, here comes the danger. It's the type of dress will make Boys to Men sing, baby, 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 and make Brian McKnight sing, one like a dream come true. It is the type of dress will make Michael Bublé ask, tell me when will you be mine? Tell me quando. It is the type of dress to make Jamie Foxx won't blame it on the alcohol and make J. Cole ask, can I hit it in the morning and in the daytime and in the evening? It was the type of dress to make Kanye West see all of the lights, literally, and if you pass on some big brother advice and tell Rihanna if you keep our love locked down. Love locked down. It was the type of dress to make Drake say, I got my eyes on you, and make Rick Ross put a Molly in a champagne and she don't even know. It make Liquor Wayne want to teach her how to love. Yeah, man. It was the type of dress to make Chris Brown, aka they tried to send me to prison and rehab, but I said no. Say, yo, don't know your name, but excuse me, bitch, I saw you from across the room. And it made Chris Brown also say, I don't know, but I like what you got, give me that. And it's the type of dress to make Chris Brown all bust the raging. I hit it first. I think, did I hit it first? Was it me? No? And it was the type of dress to make Kevin Hart uncle say, alright. And make Louis Armstrong sing, as his sparkly dress, and titties too. But I saw them already, so it ain't nothing new. But if you make a sex tape and leak it, ooh, what a wonderful world it would be. How do I feel about the dress? Personally, I think it was like nice, but hey, I really don't give a shit. it was different. And as for people and their reaction towards it, let me tell you something. Stop let celebrities be the model by which you live in a life. They are human just like the rest of us, and they have their own opinions. They can make their own choices and do what the hell they please. Of course, when you're in the spotlight, what you do and say, is taken differently. But at the same time, you have to take responsibility for your own actions. Live your life the way you please, and at the end of the day, make sure that whatever you're trying to do is reflecting God-like characteristics. Just strive to be a good person. This is Kevin Too Crazy. Think you believe it, I like to achieve it.